How to cancel your Boost subscription on Discord step by step. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to cancel your Nitro subscription in Discord. So without further ado, let us begin. So it is quite simple. So what you want to do is to just open up Discord, and then after that what you want to do is just click on user settings right here, and then after that what you want to do in user settings, just go to subscriptions right here. And then from here, you will get to see all of your subscriptions on Discord. So as you can see right here, I have no active subscriptions because I haven't subscribed to Discord Nitro. But if you are subscribed to Discord Nitro, you would see your subscription right here. And then after that, there will be an option right there that will allow you to cancel your subscription. So just click on your Discord Nitro subscription right here, and then there will be an option right there to cancel your subscription. And then after canceling your subscription, you are now done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to cancel your Boost subscription on Discord step by step. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. That is all.